How to log in Vk with Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that if there is a way to log in Vk account with your Facebook. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Vk app on your device. Alright, so after you open the app, you'll get such interface. So from here, you'll have to continue with your phone number or email address. So from here, there is no any such options like you can log in with your Facebook account. So you have to provide your phone number or email address here, and after you provide your email address or phone number here, you'll have to just tap on this login option. So from there you can easily access Vk, or you can create Vk account by your email address or phone number. So this is the easiest and simplest method to log in. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.